Monday. Happy Monday guys. And hapon na po. Maggagabi na po. It's now 6:06 ng gabi. So we are heading to the hospital. Yes.
I was talking to you and you didn't talk.
Oh, sorry. What was it?
He said today is Saturday.
Monday. Remember we went grocery shopping?
Monday and Saturday and Tuesday and also Wednesday and Sunday.
Okay. Monday tomorrow. Monday and Tuesday tomorrow. So tomorrow you have daycare, okay? So if mommy gonna go home tomorrow, Daddy Lo will drop you off to daycare. But then we have the car seat. Have a seatbelt. Wala tayong seatbelt, guys. Alright, so we're going to Mom and Dad's house to drop me off. Hi. We don't know if I'll be going. LD will send me Uselness home tonight. We don't know. The reason why we're going to the hospital because my water is leaking for 3 days now, and I just called them today if I should be concerned sa water leaking, and yeah, they just want me to come there to have a checkup.
If the water's leaking,
Mhm.
that means you're giving birth now.
Really?
Yeah.
Who said that?
It was not a lot of water, just ano guys, palit-lit, konti-konti lang siya. So I was wearing pad the whole time kasi parang sabi ko bakit
And nobody
ganun?
watched. I watched.
I did not experience this with Mia, so I have no clue. I searched it naman sa Google and then it says normal lang naman siya. But I just don't know if it's amniotic fluid or just a normal water discharge. So yeah, but yeah, we're close to Mom and Dad. Are you gonna be good to Daddy Lo and Mamila? Yeah, okay. You tell them what to wear. It's in your bag, okay? And tonight you might be going to you need to shower tonight. Yeah? Okay, so your shampoo is there.
You gonna shower alone?
See the hospital.
Huh?
See the hospital.
Yeah, you've been there. We went there last time, remember? You were with me? Okay, we're here. Be good to Mamila and Daddy Lo. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Bye-bye, Mia.
Mommy lang.
Where you got lipstick?
Hi, guys.
Where you going?
Nagapagimos ko sa konbag. Kung ano-ano na naman yun na pinamutang sa itsura. Bye, Mia.
Bye-bye.
I'll see you later or tomorrow or I don't know.
Bye-bye.
Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You excited to see baby brother?
I don't like to see his stinky face.
Oh, stinky face? What do you mean stinky face?
What stinky face? You are so silly.
Stinky poo-poo bum-bum face.
Yeah, I don't like to see his stinky face.
Bye-bye.
Sige pa. Bye. We have this going on. Ayan. Baby's heartbeat right there. So they put the CTG, guys. I'm waiting for the doctor kasi they have to put the cannula for my antibiotics since they did a swab to me to check kung ano yung nag-leak. So naging positive siya and kailangan ko mag-antibiotic. So ilang araw na ako nag-leak, diba? And kailangan daw si baby safe. So kailangan lagyan ng antibiotic. Lagyan ako ng antibiotic para maging safe to. So yun. Just waiting for the doctor para, malagyan ako ng kanila. And sabi ng midwife kanina, pag nag-start na daw mag-leak yung fluid or any fluid loss, dapat within 18 hours makakapag-antibiotic na ako. So, hindi ko na alam guys kung kailan nag-start yung fluid loss. Kailan ba? 3 days ago pa yun eh. So, hindi ko din alam yung oras, kung anong oras siya nag-start. But, yeah. Sinabi ko lang sa kanila kanina na 6 a.m. in the morning kahapon. Pero paano naman kasi siya pa stop. So, hindi naman siya like all throughout the day nagli-leak. Paminsan-minsan lang naman. So, yeah. Hindi na din ako nagpalit to. Diba? Naka-dress pa tayo. Ito pa yung outfit namin kanina. Nag-grocery kami ni na mama sa, sa Asian shop. So, ito yung suot ko, guys. That is right here. Huh?
Do you think it will be today?
No, I don't think so. Is it? I don't know. But they have to check me if I'm dilated or something. May nararamdaman naman ako na pressure dun pag nagko-contract siya, pero hindi pa siya super painful. So, baka uuwiin ako. After mag-antibiotic, I don't know. Depende kasi sa situation ni baby. Since may nag-leak na siya, hindi ko alam kung ano yung nag-leak. Hindi ko natanong. Pero feeling ko amniotic fluid yun. Kasi positive nga siya. So, kasi diba, if leak na yung amniotic fluid mo, parang nag-ready ka na for labor. So, hindi ko alam guys kung ano ba talaga. Depende kung ano yung situation ni baby. Depende. After nila ako mabigyan ng antibiotic. So, depende na sa doctor kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin. Alala, ang ingay talaga nito. Lubat na din ako, guys. Empty na yung phone ko. Kakatawag lang ni Mia. Tumawag siya. Kasi sinabihan niya si Mamila, Mommy, I want your phone. Call Mommy. Ayun. Nag-usap na kami. Nag-ano na siya. Dinner. Meron na tayong cannula. So, maglalagay na sila ng antibiotic. Tapos, transfer tayo sa bird suite. See you soon, baby. See you soon. Oh my God. This is juice. Wow. Update, nandito na tayo sa bird suite. So, ito na yung magiging room namin, guys. Dad is in the bathroom putting all my stuff. Kinuha niya na yung bag namin sa car. So, we'll be here until this baby is born. So, we're just finishing my antibiotic, which is tapos na soon. And then I'm gonna take a shower. So, they took another blood. Dito, ayan. Andabi ko ng, diba? 1, 2, 3. You okay, Daddy? Alright, so yeah. It's actually a big room. It's gonna be our room. Tour ko kayo, guys. Walk tour. So, we have that for the baby. Pag lumabas na siya, We have the ball, the couch for daddy to sleep, and dito yung bathroom. And that's gonna be my bed. Nakakapaglakad pa ako kasi naka-disconnect yung aking CTG. Hindi pa na-connect ng midwife ko. Kasi magsa-shower pa nga ako. Yeah. O, diba? Si daddy na nag-arrange. Thank you, daddy. May shampoos there too. Yeah. So, shower tayo. Malaki din yung bathroom. Ayan. Kapaglakad pa ako, guys. Pero sabi ng midwife ko, pag later, nakakonect na ako dyan sa CTG. The whole time, nakahiga na lang ako. Naka-attach na ako sa bed. So, good luck. Good luck. Alright, so just flushing the antibiotics. Ayan. 8 minutes, guys. And then, shower na tayo. I-induce nila ako, guys, kasi kailangan na lumabas ni baby. Pero mamaya pa yun, kailangan ko pa mag-shower. So, pag ready na ako, may nararamdaman akong contraction, pero hindi siya yung sakit na sobrang sakit. Like, kaya ko pa din. Kaya ko pa din yung sakit. So, yeah. So, akala ko hindi pa ngayon. Ngayon na pala. Ngayon na kailangan lumabas. So, siguro na yun, na-broke na yung water ko, pero hindi pa siya totally, like, lahat. Since nag-leak na yung water. So, yeah, kailangan ako i-induce. Okay na yun. Kasi we're aiming for VBAC, diba? So, that's our aim. Our goal. Daddy's there, chilling. And I'm there. I'm here. We are fresh. Tapos na tayo mag-shower, guys. So, soon nilalagay na nila yung CTG sa atin. Hindi na tayo makakawala sa bed. So, that's the time. 10:25. Daddy. Pagod na yung daddy natin. So, once naka-attach na tayo sa machine, guys, hindi na tayo makaka-move. Kasi kailangan nila i-monitor yung heartbeat ni baby. Back. Okay, so check na IE na ako, guys, and I'm 2 to 3 cm dilated. So my midwife break my water as well. So now we are deciding kung we will do the drip kasi the baby is more than 24 hours na tawag dito, nag-start mag-leak yung water. So, normally they do the induction straight away. But then this one, may risk na siyang kasama kasi more than 24 hours na si baby. But yeah, or they will give us 4 hours for the labor to happen within 4 hours. If it will not happen within 4 hours, kailangan daw C-section na ako. Ba, iniiwasan ko yun, guys. So, di ko alam. But yeah, I might go sa drip. Yeah, I might go sa drip. We will see. Ayun na nga, so bumalik na yung doctor to give me the form for the consent of induction. So, ito na yung induction form, guys. So, we decided to just do the induction. Yes. Yes, sir. Ayan na. Baby's heartbeat. And it's now 10:50. Ayan na yung oras natin. Maybe karon na sa umaga. Basi. Huh? I'm not in the bathtub. I'm in the bed. See? I'm in the bed, baby. Can you see?
Oh my god, he's 31st. 1 year, so this is 31st.
New Year! Happy New Year!
Ano gin madyo nag-sing mo na tan istoryahan.
Gani. Sige na, go sleep na ikaw. Say bye, mommy. Bye.
Okay, good night,
Busy siya.
mommy. night, mommy.
Good night. Ano?
Ano yung sa loob siya?
I don't know.
My balloons
Up to you.
finish.
Huwag mo mag-vacuum pag may
Pretty,
nakita
I need you to fill it up. Bye, mommy. I miss you so much.
I miss you too. So, nag-change room kami kasi bukas pa ako lalagyan ng drip. Bukas na daw ako i-drip. Bibigyan ng drip. Which is the oxytocin. Bukas na ako i-induce kung maga. So, I just signed a paper of the induction labor. And, yun. They will induce me, guys, para mapabilis ang ating pag-labor. So, currently, 2 cm dilated, 2 to 3. Nasabi ko na ba sa inyo? Na-update ko na ba kayo? Hindi ko alam. But yeah, so we're in different room again. This is our room. Daddy's right there. Maliit siya compared dun sa bird suite. And then our bathroom there. Ayan. So, ayan. And here's me. So, yeah, wala tayong drip or anything. Pero magsa-start yung pangalawang antibiotic natin ng 1 a.m. So, kasi kailangan every 4 hours hanggang lumabas si baby. Kailangan naka-antibiotic tayo. So, yeah, wala pa naman akong nafe-feel na regular contraction. So, I don't know. Anyway, kailangan natin matulog. Kaya nandito kami sa kabilang room. Sa ibang room. So, matulog na tayo, guys. So, bukas na lang ulit. Ako mag-update sa inyo. So, maybe sa next vlog. Ayun, birth vlog na siya talaga. Birth vlog na. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe in our channel if you haven't yet. And also, don't forget to click notification bell below if you guys want to be notified when we upload more videos. And if you want to see our cutie pie, Mia and Daddy. Kawawa si Daddy. Wala siyang bed. Unlike dun sa bird suite, may bed. So, wala siyang bed dito. Feeling ko, guys, nasira ko yung gimbal. Yung lens. Kasi nalaglag ko siya kanina dun sa bed. But anyway, wala tayong magagawa. Bye guys, good night. See you in our next vlog.